Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a beanie using the Houndstooth pattern. I'm going to use Bennett premium yarn in two different colors and a 5mm crochet hook. So to begin the hat, we are going to use a magic circle. Then we are going to make chain 2. Then I'm going to make a 7 half double crochets. First chain 2 is considered as the first half double crochet, then making 6 more. 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we try this one. In the next row we are going to make chain 2 as the first half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in each stitch. So this round we will have chain 2, which is the first half double crochet, then 13 half double crochets. We are going to join this round with a slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Then again chain 2 and 1 more half double crochet in the same stitch. So it is considered as 2 half double crochets here. Then we are going to do 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Then again 2 half double crochet in the next one. Then we are going to make 1 half double crochet in this one, and the pattern repeats. In the next row, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, then 1 half double crochet in the next one, 1 half double crochet in the next one, then again increase in the next one, then half double crochet in next 2 stitches. In the next row, we are increasing in the first one, 1, 2, then in the next 3 stitches we are making 1 half double crochet each. Then we increase, then make 4 half double crochet stitch and repeat the pattern. Now I am going to take my next color and add this in here. At this slip stitch, we are supposed to make a slip stitch join. I am adding this second color there. Give a little bit of tug on the first color, then make chain 2. This round also we are going to make increase. 2 double crochet, half double crochet in the first stitch, then we are going to do regular half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then again we are increasing, then regular half double crochet. Repeat the pattern. As you can see, I didn't cut the purple yarn at the end of the previous row. I just leave it there. Now I'm going to drop this one when I'm going ready to do the slip stitch to join. I'm just pulling that one. Drop this one to the back and get the purple to the front. Make chain 2, one more half double crochet in the same space, and then 5 a half double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Just one half double crochet in the next 5 stitches, and again increase, then one half double crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. We are joining with the color in the back. This is going to be the wrong side of the cap, and give it a tuck. Then chain 2, we are going to increase again. This one was 1 2 3 4 5, so the next one we are going to do increase, then 6 half double crochet. Uh, 6, 20 increase, then 6 half double crochet. Now this base is approximately 6.5 inches in diameter, so I'm not going to increase anymore. And here we are going to finish this row. Just leave this one in the back and bring the purple to the front and slip stitch. Now we are going to chain 1, which is considered as the first single crochet in here. Then we are going to make a double crochet, single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and we are going to repeat until we reach the end. I'm going to make a single crochet in here, then in the base of that first single crochet chain 1 we made, then we are going to do a double crochet, because this is a single crochet, and on top of this next is a single crochet, the beginning single crochet. We are going to add a double crochet, but we are not going to finish it. Leave the yarn to the back and bring the other color to the front and finish off that stitch. So that's a double crochet. Then the next one we are going to make a single crochet, then repeat the pattern. This is the last stitch of the row. So single crochet, double crochet, and we ended with a single crochet, double crochet, and a single crochet, and we are going to make a double crochet on the next single crochet. So we are going to yarn over, set a hook, from here onwards we are going just in spirals. So that's a double crochet. Then we are going to make single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. So when we come back up to here, we will again change the color. When we are in the last stitch of the row, we know when it is there because we know the yarn will be ready to make a color change. Then we just continue the pattern like single crochet, double crochet. Now you can see the pattern is emerging. We'll meet after making the height of the heart. Now I turn the heart inside out. I'm going to attach the yarn from the wrong side. Chain 2, do 1/2 double crochet in each of the stitches. Just 1/2 double crochet in each of the stitches, and we will meet again. Now I'm going to make a chain 1. Then we are going to make alternating front post and back post. We are going to do it a couple of rows. Then we meet again.